At this point, it feels like we're waking up to a new Galaxy Z Fold 7 leak every day, almost as if Samsung wants to leave no surprises for the big July 9th Unpacked event. And now, things have taken an unexpected turn. A video has surfaced on Amazon of all places. First spotted by the team at 9 to 5 Google, accessory brand Luskin shared a clip that appears to showcase the Fold 7 while demonstrating how to apply a screen protector. The screen never actually powers on, so there's a chance it's just a dummy unit. Still, the design closely aligns with previous leaks, making it look very much like the real deal. With the official launch just days away and sales expected to begin later this month, a last-minute video leak like this isn't exactly surprising. And believe it or not, this wasn't even the only leak we've seen just the day before. Another hands-on clip recently gave us a solid look at the phone in its unfolded state. Now, thanks to this new Amazon video, we're getting a clearer sense of what's happening with the outer display as well. The biggest takeaway? This device appears slimmer than the Fold 6. When closed, it actually resembles a conventional smartphone, and there's a noticeable gap between the two halves, potentially making it easier to open. Button and port placements seem to align perfectly with earlier rumors, further adding credibility. So, yes, it might be the real deal, or just a very convincing dummy. Either way, the design looks sleek, and that wider outer screen definitely lends it a more traditional smartphone feel. But the leaks don't stop there. Let's talk about cases, because if the phone leaks weren't enough, we now have an early look at Samsung's official case lineup for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, thanks to a leak from New Mobile in the Netherlands. And yes, pricing details are included. Here's a quick breakdown. First up is Samsung's Silicone Case, available in black, blue, gray, and light green. Made from grippy, shock-absorbing silicone, it offers solid protection, though it might not glide smoothly in and out of your pocket. Price €69. Next is the Samsung Clear Case, a minimalist, transparent cover designed to let the Fold 7's design shine through. It's simple and affordable, though like most clear cases, it may yellow over time. Price €49. Then there's the Samsung Clear Grip Case. It shares the transparent look but adds a built-in grip or handle on the back, perfect for smaller hands or those prone to accidental drops. Price, €53. Up next, the Samsung Clear Magnet Case. It resembles the standard clear case, but includes magnetic elements on the back to support wireless charging and magnetic accessories. Functional and fairly priced at €57. Finally, we have the Samsung Carbon Shield Case, the premium pick. Crafted from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, it features a sleek black finish with subtle gray accents. Only available in black and priced at €89. So what's your take? Are you excited for the Fold 7? Already eyeing your favorite case? Or do all these leaks take the thrill out of launch day? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.